Hello everyone. So I'm back here for to recap my day 10. As you can remember, last night I said that I'm going to sleep. So I was in so much hurry to get right back on schedule. I didn't want it to miss it out. But when I went to sleep, what happened was I went around exactly 1:15 or 1:30. I was feeling sleepy and I felt asleep also. But after I guess around 3:15, 3:30, suddenly my sleep got disturbed, and I since my mind was continuously thinking. So due to that, uh, I couldn't sleep. I I woke up, tried to sit down for a few minutes. Since it's on only was I had sleep for only 1.5 or 2 hours. I just didn't know what to do. I can't wake up since there is no point. I have to work at I have to work at 10 or 9:30 tomorrow morning, but I can't. So I have to sleep. But I when I was going to sleep, I couldn't sleep. I tried maybe around till 4:30. I tried to sleep and I couldn't fall asleep. 4:15 or 4:30 around. I couldn't fall asleep. So yeah, so basically the sleep got disturbed. I slept for only since then till now I slept for those hours only. I haven't slept yet. It's like around 11:07 p.m. right now. So yeah, that's it. And so I worked for around since I couldn't do any I had to do the JavaScript backlog work, so I couldn't do it. So I set around like 2:50, 2:30, 2:15 I set, and I set till I guess 6 in the evening. Since I wasn't working at home, I couldn't make a video of it, but I was working, and out of those 2:15 to 6, I worked maybe for around 3 hours 15 minutes was I or was I actually think I worked. So yeah, that's what I did. What I can tell, since that was the only work I did today, it was so threatening. I don't know if threatening is the right word, or it was so draining. I think draining is the right word. Draining that I had to problem that I was solving through JavaScript was palindrome. So I went through multiple variations of it, and I tried to do it. I couldn't do it. I again tried to do it. I couldn't do it. So yeah, I went through multiple variations again and again, different variations, tried to understood some logic, some did not, some, but I had to use my book and paper, my book, not book and paper, it's wrong. I had to write the logic in pen. I had to use a means of pen paper for writing the logic, that how is the code is running. Then I started understanding something. So yeah, that's what I did, and it took all my time. It made me realize that if I was thinking that coding is easy, or it's like there are still many challenges that I en have to encounter and learn more from them. So that's what I learned today. Yeah, basically that I couldn't do much more of that, and then I went to gym, and I came back right around 9:30, and since I felt I should sleep right now, because the sleep schedule, so that if I can sleep right now, I can wake up early in the morning. If I can do that, it would be better, I guess. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I think sleeping early, early right now and waking up early in the morning will be more beneficial. That's what I feel. So nothing more to that is just it will be much better if I can sleep right now at like around this time and wake up at around 5 or 5:30, since I'm trying to get a 6 hours sleep, or at least the way I'm getting only 2 hours, 1.5 hours sleep. So yeah, so I thought that maybe I should try to not overput myself under the work, or just deteriorate my body, that try to deteriorate. I shouldn't deteriorate my body. So that's why I think it would be better if I go to sleep right now, because basically that's the all work I did regarding web development today. Rest all was I wasn't focusing completely. I wasn't in the right zone. Yeah, the sleep explains it because I didn't got enough sleep. But yeah, somehow I managed. I went to some out place and tried to do that palindrome. Though I feel it took more time than it should have, but at least I did something. So yeah, if I could get, I can go to sleep right now and can get to sleep the way I want to and wake up next morning fresh. I'm sure I can do. It will help me set uh, set the much set my schedule right, and I can do work more appropriately. So yeah, I'm hoping this will be beneficial for me from tomorrow, because at the end of the day I know that I've spoiled my habits so bad that it will take time to get things back. Maybe this getting less sleep is just reaction of me trying to break that old habit that I have. So my body is trying to take doing abrupt changes to itself to get through those changes, or maybe just trying to tell me that something is wrong, you're not doing, or maybe it's just me, my mind is working too much. Yes, today was the last time my mind was just constantly thinking, constantly. I couldn't put stop to it. So yeah, that's what happens. So yeah, that's why. Let's see what happens. I hope. Hmm, couldn't think of anything else. I don't know if I'm speaking the right English today. I just couldn't figure out how to do it. I know the words. I don't know the use case of them. And on top of that, the most thing after all these videos, I've realized that okay, I can speak English fluently if I know what the thing I'm talking about. If I've done the work precisely enough, I can elaborate it. My problem, I think, is my voice modulation is not so good. So my words are not getting clear, are not that clear. So I just don't know how to do that. I hope I clear it somehow. It needs to be clear, because I especially feel that my speech needs to be clear, so that making it easier for anyone to understand it. The other person doesn't have to strain too much, because I feel if person has to put too much focus on understanding what you're speaking, he he uh, he loses your he loses he lost he gets zoned out on you basically, and I don't like that to happen. I want to keep the spotlight on me. So I have to learn. I have to get better at this speaking thing. Then only I think I will be able to do something about it. It's a long process. Uh, Small steps will make a large step, or now that that we all know. Small बनाते जाओ large small मिलाते जाओ large बढ़ाते जाओ, ऐसा ही कुछ था, something like that. So that's what came in my mind. I am not trying to advertise something. I'm just speaking repeating the phrase. I find it very interesting because it's very motivating and in the right direction if taken in the right direction. So yeah, that's all the chit chat I would like to do. I like to do today. Let's hope I will get my day 11 works very fine. I'm sure day 10 or day 11 or something like that. Day 11, I guess, if I remember correctly. It's day 11 tomorrow. So I hope that I will be better today and will be able to do something that I want to do. Okay guys, bye.